Today, we are diving into the world of SEO and tackling a crucial element, keyword research. But guess what? You don't need to break the bank on expensive tools. We will explore Ubersuggest features to help you rank higher on Google. Let's face it, being buried on page 10 of Google searches isn't exactly ideal. You want your website to be seen to attract organic traffic. You want to convert those visitors into leads or customers. But how do you achieve that? The answer lies in understanding the keywords your target audience is searching for. And this is where Ubersuggest comes in. Let's get started. Let me show you a demo. Let's get started. I'm on the Ubersuggest homepage. This is the dashboard once you log in. You'll have to register and sign up for a free account. You could even choose to upgrade. I have a lifetime paid account with Ubersuggest, one of their offers. You could go ahead and check the plans and pricing page. But as I said, let's today talk about using Ubersuggest as a keyword research tool. So if you look at the menu here, here it says keyword research, and I'll go to keyword overview. And here is where you could see that get a detailed keyword overview. So we need to enter a keyword. So for this video, I thought about using a category t-shirts for men as a business category. So let's say I'm starting a new e-commerce venture where I want to sell online t-shirts for men, women, kids. So I need to do a research in terms of the potential of the keyword, the competition of the keyword. And you could see here, you could choose your language. So where you are based out of. So I'll say English, and you could choose your locations, United States, United Kingdom, India, Australia, or you could go for all locations if you want to sell across the globe. But for the example, let's take English and United States as the sample here. And let's put the first keyword, t-shirts for men, and then just hit on search. And it'll give you an overview. So here you could see keyword overview t-shirts for men. Search volume is 1,600 every month. SEO difficulty is 44, which is moderate. Paid difficulty is very high, 100, a very competitive keyword. And it costs about $2.87 per click. So it gives you a fair estimate of the main keyword. And it says that the average web page that ranks in the top 10 has 737 backlinks and a domain authority of 75. And here it gives you some graphical representations. So SEO results, paid results, the age range of people. So you also get some categorization here. If you want to start a business, then 35 to 44 age group has 40% of the searches here. And then it gives you more keywords: shirts for men polo, shirts for men dress, shirts for men funny. And you get the pages that are at present ranking for this particular keyword. So you could go ahead, visit those pages and look at the content, look at the designs, see why is it that they are ranking high. So, and you could keep changing the keywords here. You could go to keyword ideas and you could add more keywords. So t-shirts for men was one. Let's say I want to add some more, for example, t-shirt designs as another keyword, and custom t-shirts. So we could just think aloud and try different combinations and click on search. So it'll give me the volume for all these three keywords and all relevant keywords. So it's just looking for the ideas. So we could see it's working, and we'll have the results in a few seconds. Here we have, so t-shirt designs, 27,100. However, this is generic. It's for men, women, kids, everyone. T-shirts for men, we had already seen 1,600. And then you have custom t-shirts, a volume of 246,000 per month. And you have the difficulty level for each of those. And then you have other relevant keywords. So shirts for men funny, custom t-shirts printing, shirts for men pink, shirts for men denim. So you see that, okay, it's giving you other keywords, and you could go ahead and look at related keywords. So click on the related tab. So V-neck t-shirts for men, 4,400 t-shirt designs online. You have questions, prepositions, comparisons, and you can look at which are, for example, if you want to have t-shirt designs for basketball as a category, you could click on that and you could see which are the websites that are currently ranking high for a category that you want to rank higher on. So here you could see you have Design Library, Pinterest, Class B, Etsy.com, CustomInc.com. So you could choose the competitor. For example, Uberprints.com. Now, if you think Uberprints.com is a competitor for you, or in say, let's go for your primary keyword, t-shirts for men, and let's see who is ranking high for the primary business keyword, t-shirts for men. So you have cutsclothing.com, Nordstorm.com, Untuckit.com, JCPenney. Let's say we go for cutsclothing.com. So we could now go ahead and we could click on search website and enter cutsclothing.com. And this software will give you what are the keywords that are driving traffic to your competition. So that's another great feature of Ubersuggest. So here you are. You could see the keywords that are driving traffic to cutsclothing.com. So clothing store, fun, cloth store, casual business, business casual, hoodies. So you need to go ahead and filter it out. For example, if you want to just see keywords related to shirt, for example, because of different spelling combinations, I've not taken t-shirt, I've just taken shirt. And we could see t-shirt with shirt, 201,000, long sleeve shirt, long shirt and long sleeve, sleeve long shirt. Or let's say if you want to put t-shirt as a filter, what does it say? T-shirt, enter, apply. So guy sweatshirts, it also has t-shirts, cut t-shirts, 880, fit sweatshirts. So we could go ahead, t-shirts, Black Friday, 320. The paid competition is lower for this. So you could do this permutation combination. You could try different things. You could go ahead and you could check similar website to cutsclothing.com. So what are other competitors? And you could dive deep into the traffic for each of those competitions. So here it says, so all these are competing with cutsclothing.com. You could click on more domains, it'll give you more, and it gives you the common keywords, the keyword gap, the estimated traffic, and the backlinks. So your Ubersuggest becomes a great tool if you want to go ahead and get overview of a group of keywords, a category of keywords, identify your competition, and go ahead and prepare your own content strategy. Now here you have another tool, keyword visualization. So let's go ahead and let's type t-shirt designs and let's click on search. So this will give us a combination of different questions that people ask on search engines with regards to t-shirt designs as the parent keyword. And you get the entire visualization in two formats. So one is this kind of a visualization, which tells you the kind of keywords, but for easier study of the data, click on data and you get the breakup. So how to print designs on t-shirts at home, how to design t-shirts at home, how to protect your t-shirts designs. So these become great blog post ideas if you want to start a t-shirt online store. So you could just go ahead and you could look at the uh, each of the questions, trending t-shirt designs, for example. So it says volume is 590, cost per click is $1.26, paid difficulty is very high. What's trending in t-shirt design? This again is a great blog post idea. So it gives you different formats, different visualizations, and you could prepare your content strategy. You could look at the competition, you could analyze your competition, and accordingly design the entire content structure of your own website. So very easy to use. You could sign up for a free plan, or you could upgrade if you want to analyze more websites. For example, I have a paid plan, so I could have up to 7 projects here. I right now I'm tracking 5 projects. So you could go ahead and you could do that. There are other features which I'll go ahead and I'll show you in some of the other videos. But it's very easy. You could even go ahead and you could spy on your competition. For example, here we identified Cuts Clothing as a competition. So you could see the number of keywords that are driving traffic to this website, the organic monthly traffic that they generate. So that is organic traffic, not your referral and social traffic. So 716,000, which is very, very good. Domain authority, the backlinks, and you get to see the trend of their organic traffic. So you could see there is a spike in their traffic around November, and the number of keywords that they've been ranking, the different pages, and you could just go ahead and you could add each of your competition here, and you could deep dive and make notes and prepare your own keyword and content strategy. So don't need to break the bank on expensive tools. Use Ubersuggest. There are a few other such tools. If there is any specific tool that you would like me to give you a demo, just mention in the comments below. But go ahead, sign up for a free account, play around. And if you have any questions on how to use Ubersuggest, or if you get stuck somewhere, again, do mention in the comments below. I'll be back with more SEO, marketing, and business strategy videos to help your small business grow. So keep coming back, do subscribe, and share the video with fellow entrepreneurs. So I'll see you again. Take care and be safe.